And welcome to another episode. What you see here is we have some serious rust that needs to come out. Basically, it is tore the section out that this bolts to. We'll get that cleaned out. What we're going to do is cut it here and here and along here and replace this. These we're going to get rid of, and we get rid of those, we'll install some other different clamps. I'm not going to have the video on the whole time while I'm grinding this out because just a lot of sparks flying around. You definitely want to protect your seats and stuff. I have some cardboard. I'm going to put a cardboard wall up here, and down here I have this grinder. It's my little yard sale grinder I picked up, and somebody took all the safeties off of it. So if you're going to use it, be very, very careful if you get one like it. You want gloves, safety glasses, oops, sorry about that, hearing protection, and you definitely want to be careful with it because it could jam up and you'll end up with something like this. And this will shatter and come apart and cause you some serious injury. So be careful. If you have a full face shield, that's even better to use with the safety glasses. I'm a firm believer, more protection the better. But what we're going to do is this is not plugged in at the moment. We're going to cut it along here to about this point here. Then we're going to go straight up. Then we'll follow it along here and cut this out. Now I'd like to be able to punch this down and put a nut on the back of it, but these aren't even worth saving. So we got a choice of either grinding the hinge out, which feels pretty stiff and probably won't come out, or grinding these off. Just take the whole thing off and put a different aftermarket latch on both sides. And that's probably what we'll do. So without any more yammering, trash, we're going to go ahead and get this taken care of and get this cut out of here so that we can progress. Because once this is out, we'll fill these in. These are reinforcement grooves. We'll fill these in for when I put the flooring in. And once I get this taken care of, we get to take that seat out and paint the base. And then I can go ahead and clean all this up, prime it, and put down some insulation, noise barrier, and I'm looking for a vinyl mat to put in here. I might go with a diamond plate. I think that's going to look pretty good. So without further yammering, we're going to go ahead and get started. just pop right out of there here in a second. Okay, there's a little tab underneath there that's got to get cut. There we go. This piece here, as loose as it is, can be used as a template. As you see, we have an asbestos product here down, which you need to be really careful with popping up any dust. Alright, so let's get to cutting out a piece and stuff. We'll get back. I just laid it out this way. It's easier to make one cut than it is to make many. And fortunately, it didn't do too bad. Got a fairly decent 90. I'll kind of eyeball across here. There's a bump here. Starts about here. Comes in. And one about here. Just get a little bit of in. And that'll be that part right in there. We cut out, we'll cut on the line. And try to remember not to cut that. And we just might leave it and add that piece later. We'll see how it goes with cutting this. Alright. Piece is finished up and put in. And I got a piece underneath here and welded it in across here and started welding it in across there, and it blew out. A lot of bad metal in there. So what I did is got on the back side and spray painted it, and then I put some weather seal in there and painted over it, so it looks good. As long as you protect both sides of rust, you're not going to kill it 100%, but you are going to put a serious dent in it. But if you only do one side, it's going to come back pretty quick. So alright, thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.